Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you some information on a $5,000 loan, up to a $5,000 loan within 2 hours with Navy Federal Pandemic Loan. Now, if you like this kind of content on learning about credit, loans, financial information, and how to improve and increase your credit score, and how to find out about different lines of credit and institutions, considering subscribing to my channel, and please like this video. Now, in order for you to be in line for this loan via Navy Federal, you have to be a member of Navy Federal. So in order to become a member, there are some criteria, and I made a video on how to become a member and some backdoor options. You will see that link in the description in this video below, and also at the end of the video I'll have that link. If you are interested and you are a member of Navy Fed, I just also made a video on how I got the PPP stimulus loan within 3 days with a Navy Federal business account. And so if you already are a current member of Navy Federal, you might want to check that out, because if you have the gig work or independent contractor, ride share, or a sole proprietorship, even in your own name, you may qualify for the PPP loan, and that's the personal paycheck protection. So check that video out, but we will not drag this on. In order to qualify for this loan, we're going to find out what it entails for this loan. Um, the emergency relief loan is for members of Navy Federal affected by COVID-19. Now, the loan itself is a 6% loan rate for 24 months. So you can get it up to 24 months. One thing to keep in mind, they will be pulling your credit, and it is going to be from TransUnion. So it will be a check or a hard pull on your credit, you guys. Keep that in mind. The loan amounts are from $250 to $5,000. Now, in order to qualify, you must show income and employment. You must have a direct deposit set up within 90 days. So you want to make sure you have those things in order. Now, how you can apply, you guys, how to apply. Have the total of how much you need to borrow, you guys. You need to have that locked and ready and loaded. Now, you can get from $250 to $5,000. Decide on your finance terms you need, from 6 months to 24 months. Now, of course, the terms or how much you need is going to dictate how much you have to pay back monthly. The longer the terms, it will probably reduce your payment. So you need to figure out how that works for your pay period and your finances. Have your employment information available. So in order to qualify, you need your employer information and the details ready to go for the representatives. The loan can be deposited within a few hours, and you will receive e-signed documents through your email. So make sure if you do apply, you keep an eye on your email. Make sure this stuff is not going into spam if you apply for this loan. Now, the best way to apply for it, to just simply call customer service at 1-800-366-3767 to apply. So I know there are a lot of people who are having problems due to the pandemic, and they really need money. They need funding. So some things you can consider: it's a 6% loan rate for 24 months. If you are having problems with another debt, this might be an option. If this interest rate is cheaper than what you already have with that debt, maybe to borrow this money and pay that debt off. Now, keep in mind This is gonna, a loan is gonna report to the 3 major credit bureaus. There are some people that's taking out self-lender accounts and, you know, such things to build their credit. But if you already have a pretty decent credit score, or, you know, you already have a relationship with Navy Federal, this might be an option that you can go for to help put positive payments on your credit. Also, Navy Federal is a savings and loan, so they do cater to membership. So they are a little easier of a finance option, and just for various of things. And they're really known in the industry for giving high credit card limits. And I personally love my experience with Navy Federal. Like I said, I was able to get the PPP loan with them within a couple of days, like 3 days, when I applied for the first round. And so when some of the bigger lenders would not really want to work with people who are independent contractors. So maybe you need to check that video out too. If you guys have any more questions or comments, please leave it in the video, and I will try to answer it as best as possible. Thank you for listening to this information. If you have any suggestions for other videos, please leave it in the comments section. Thank you.